Hey, what's up guys? My name is Alex Wong and welcome to my channel, Travel with Alex Wong. If you haven't done so yet, please click the subscribe button below to be subscribed to my channel, and also press the bell icon to be notified whenever I upload a new video. So today I am going to do something very different. I am going to show you guys how to open the lavatory door on all the Boeing aircrafts except for the 787. I only have one footage of me on the 787, and it was in the dark, it was bad, and I can't use it. So I'm going to show you guys how to open the lavatory doors on the other Boeing aircrafts, the 737, the 757, the 767, and my favorite, the 777. So I hope you guys will enjoy this video, and let's get on board. First aircraft, the 737. Enjoy this video, guys. Hey, what's up guys? So I am on a 737 Oasis, which is basically a 737 with no entertainment system. It looks new, but it's actually not. And so this is how you open the lavatory door on an Oasis 737. It, and there you go. Hey guys, I fly a lot for work. I'm on a Boeing 737 aircraft. If you guys fly domestic or even a short international flight, most likely you will be on this aircraft. So I see a lot of people making the same mistake when they open the lavatory door. So when it's closed, you see this push sign, you push, and that's how you open. Not this. This is for disposing cigarettes. And you go inside, you lock the door, and you are ready to go. And now you know how to open the lavatory door in main cabin on a Boeing 737 aircraft. Hey, what's up guys? This is Alex Wong. I am on my second favorite Boeing aircraft, the Boeing 757. This is how you open the lav door on a Boeing 757. Alright, you see this? Push. It's a sign. Push. You lock, and then you're good to go. And this is how you open a lavatory door on a Boeing 757. Hey guys, Alex Wong right here. Welcome aboard the Boeing 767. It is an old aircraft. It's reliable at times, but let me show you guys how to open and lock and unlock and close the lavatory door on a Boeing 767. Let's go guys. Alright, here we go. Going to the back. This is an aft lavatory door. It says push right here. It's vacant. Make sure it's vacant. And you push the door. Close it. If you want to open it, you pull. You lock it. Unlock it. Lock it. And that's how you open, lock, unlock, and close the lavatory door on a Boeing 767. Thanks guys. Hey, what's up guys? I am on a 777-200. There's also a 777-300, but I am on a 777. My favorite aircraft of all the Boeings. I'm going to show you how to open the lavatory door by the 3 LNR door, basically in the middle, somewhat in the middle of the airplane, and this is how you do it. So you push right here. This is to put out a cigarette. You push the door, you lock it, and guys, that is how you open a lavatory door on a 777-200 by the 3 LNR door in the middle of the airplane on 777, guys. Thank you. Alright guys, this is to dispense your cigarette. This is opening the door. And you lock it. And guys, that is how you open and lock the lavatory door in the back of the airplane by the 4L&R door on the 777-200. Thank you guys. Guys, thank you so much for watching my video. If you haven't done so yet, please click that subscribe button below so you don't miss a new episode as I travel the world. I'll see you guys next time, guys. Bye.